Is the five-dimensional universe shaped like a torus? Let me explain to you why I think this is possible. First, what five dimensions are we talking about? We have the three dimensions in space, but also time and gravity. To represent the five dimensions in a 3D model, we will cut out two dimensions from the space. If we represent space with just one dimension in our model, we have now two dimensions left to represent time and gravity. The model also must represent the Big Bang. We also know that space is expanding and that the expansion is even accelerating. Personally, I think if something has a start, it also needs to have an end. Now let me explain to you why I think the torus could fit in all those assumptions. First, I'm gonna create a torus in AutoFusion 360. I'm not getting paid for this is no advertising. I set the inner radius to 0, so we get a singularity in the middle of our torus. The blue circle in this frame already gives us a hint on how space will be represented in our model. Just look at this beautiful five-dimensional universe with every moment in time and space that will ever exist. Now let's see how we fit in time. For this we will cut our torus in half. Now that we made a cut through space axis, we can already see space growing over time. We also see the singularity in the middle of the torus where the two circles touch each other. Beginning in the singularity in the middle, time starts flowing around the circles. Have you noticed how familiar the part in the middle looks? That's exactly the space-time funnel you already know from different pictures. Now that we know about the flow of time, let's go back to space axis and visualize space expansion. The surface of the torus will show us the size of the 3D universe to any given time. The ring represents space expanding in all three dimensions. To give you a better impression, I will now project some rings onto the surface. The diameter of each ring will show you the size of the universe to a specific time. The outer ring will show you the maximum expansion of the universe. From that point on, the universe will collapse. We also notice that the expansion is not linear, but accelerates the more the circles reach the top point. After reaching the top point, space expansion will slow down, until we reach the outer diameter of the torus, where space expansion will stop and turn into space shrinking. From that point on, the simulation will slowly collapse back into a singularity. That's just because all good things will come to an end. And as we know, the universe is the best thing in the universe. In this model, the torus surface is perfectly shaped. But since gravity bends the 3D space, you would expect the surface to have a lot of dents. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it.